I'm Alan Kenny, Managing Editor of REIT.com, and we're at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York City for REITWeek 2011, NAREIT's Investor Forum. Joining me is Mike Niemira, Vice President of the International Council of Shopping Centers. Mike, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for the invitation, Alan.
We're starting to see stronger operating results coming from shopping centers. Where do you think the sector is in terms of its recovery?
It's moving along nicely. Certainly the REIT part of the industry has done best. They've started to improve ahead of the other parts of the industry. But it's largely on the backs of the strong performance of the retailers. Retailer profits are into 5 or 6 quarters of strong gains. And that's really helping the retail real estate market performance.
Now, a lot of times analysts look at sales, consumer spending as some of the leading indicators for shopping centers. Give us a couple others that maybe are a little bit more under the radar, but you think are actually pretty telling.
Well, probably right now, the most telling one is profits for the industry. Profits on the retailer by segment, because you see the differences. So I'll say luxury being very strong, and some of the other areas that continue to be stronger, like dollar stores, apparel specialty are weak. It's reflecting the sales side, but it's more important in many respects than sales, because that performance will drive their capital spending and their store growth.
Give me a few factors that you think might be of concern for some of the retailers and retail shopping centers.
Well, certainly we are fortunate that we're at least seeing some easing in gasoline prices, but the prices remain pretty high on a year-on-year basis, up about 38–39%, pretty much at record highs, or recent record highs that we haven't seen in years, growth rate-wise. But the other problems that the consumer face, I think, are also inflation-related. Food inflation. Retailers are certainly worried about the cotton prices and commodity prices that are boosting some of their own product prices. All of that is sort of a worry because it will ultimately cut into spending power of the consumer.
All right, well, thank you very much for filling us in, Mike.
Thank you.
For more information on this and other REIT news and analysis from REITweek 2011, check out REIT.com.